Let's see if you can read this. Metatronic seeding flowers, so growers experience being blank slate, dark mother creations of psi, as in psychological operations. The mental field is the battlefield with PSI lords, psychopathway, seed generators of victimizer software without a soul. That's your shadow body network. Yeah. Archons ring a bell. Ding, 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 ding. The fire bell just rang. Why is that important? Firewalls. You need a fire, right? So you realize the most powerful fire, which is the eternal spirit of fire, which is the eternal spirit of absolute pure love, is the most powerful firewall, which is a shield. Shield volcanics. Shield mechanics. We're shield mechanics. With a firewall, which means it can't get through. It burns up because it can't find its way through the eternal spirit of fire. That's a single point of view, which is a single camera point of observation, of experiencing our entire creation. We are the co-creators of the all creation because we experience being one with all creation, which is equal unto all creation. We're gifting love energy. We are being loved. We are a beloved. A as in one, the first son, the eternal sacred son of the house of one. I am the house of one, which is Kristos fire, which is the eternal spirit of fire, which is Kristos Sophia, rising with Mama. That's our spiral. That's a Kristos spiral, the one we're with. The sacred son of Yana. Have a beautiful day. We love you all. What a beautiful Sunday. It's Sunday, the day of the sun, the house of the rising sun. Bye now.